Thank you so much for joining this beautiful group. I'm so happy that you have taken the initiative and joined this group, and I hope it's going to give you a lot of learning. But I have an issue here. The issue is that I do not still see people posting their sales copy, people posting their what you're trying to put out on your Facebook, doing your offers out here. This is the place where you can test and you can get it validated. It is just not me, guys. This is a community developed only for you. So first thing first, what I'll do is, hey, I'll introduce myself. Just pick up your phone and just create a video, or at least put a text out here. Hi, I am a copywriting coach. Hi, I'm a sales coach. Hi, I'm a wellness coach. Hi, I'm a digital marketer. Today, I got so many people calling me up or telling me, sir, I'm a digital marketer. There's so many people who need digital marketing services. Why go outside? Go check it out. And those people who are selling their services or who have an offer, right? Any offer that you have, you could be anything. You could be a wellness coach, you could be a yoga teacher, you could be anybody. Why not sell it here? This is the place. Why are you looking everywhere? There are 300 people. Do you think that 10 people would be interested in a product? Try it out. Try it out, check it out whether people are wanting to buy your product or not. Or put those offers. See what I did. I did 3 days program. All of you joined from the 3 days program where it created a lot of value. And then I asked you to, join this group. Now the idea is for you to create that value, you should be at least doing a 1 day program, man. At least do a half day program or a 30 minutes program and saying, hey, I've got this product and I'm doing a 30 minutes free. And if you like it, and then extend. So put those offer out here. I'm okay. This is not a community that it's for me. This is a community for you. Because you got those like-minded people who are looking for growth, who are looking to expand the business, who are looking to reach out to the dreams. Why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? So, action item. Pick up a video. Pick up your phone and create the video and post it out there. Talk about what you are. Like, hey, I'm a copywriting coach and I help people make effective copies. Hey, I'm a wellness coach and I help you reduce weight. Hey, I'm a mindful coach. Say that to people. Let people connect it to you. Okay, so I will hope that you're using this forum to sell your product and services. Do not wait. Do not look outside. This is the place. 300 people are waiting to hear from you. Right? So I would seriously request, use this forum, make it big. I will be doing whatever it takes for me to contribute to this forum. But each one of you should be able to contribute to this forum. All right? So make it a promise. Don't wait. And this is a great family. Out of this 1.3 billion people, you got 300 people who are here. They are ready to buy. At least go ahead and give the offer. Why more than 60% people do not? They're just thinking, should I put the offer? What will people think? दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? I repeat, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? Get that out of your head. It's okay if they laugh at yours. At least they'll laugh and then they say something and they criticize and then you work on it and then come back stronger. Bounce back. That's what I want you to bounce back in life. It's okay. This is the forum that I've created just for you. Guys, just for you. I've spent so much of money to get the right kind of people in this forum, right? So don't make forwards. I hate if you put forwards, I'm going to move you out of this group. This is a place where you're selling your service, not other service, your service. Okay. So I don't want like, hey, this is my friend. No. Your service. Okay. So take that phone, talk about your product, sell your product, make money, or ask for something like, hey guys, I'm looking for a digital marketer. Can you help me? Okay. So use this forum. Use this forum to help yourself and to help others. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm repeat it again. First start with your intro, man. First let people know who you are. Right. Thanks again for joining this group. Welcome here to post your offers and buy and sell and make money and reach your dreams. That's what the purpose is. All right. Thank you guys. Take care. Signing off. This is Neeraj Singh Rathore. Bye-bye.